Enabling two-factor authentication on your Apple TV Plus account adds an extra layer of security to your streaming experience. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple device. This can be an iPhone, iPad, or Mac that is linked to your Apple TV Plus account. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. In the Settings menu, tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. This is where you can manage your account and security settings. Step 3. Select Password and Security. Scroll down and select the Password and Security option. This section contains all the security features related to your Apple ID. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on it and follow the prompts to enable this feature. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your trusted device. Step 5. Confirm setup. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to review your trusted devices and phone numbers to ensure you can receive verification codes in the future. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Apple TV Plus account. Enjoy your streaming with peace of mind.